In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust the screen brightness in your Windows or PC. If you have been wanting to learn how to adjust the screen brightness in your Windows or PC, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, the first thing you need to do, you need to scroll down to your desktop search taskbar, right? Then I would click on this and I would type in settings. Yeah, so this is it, settings. I would click on it, settings, then I would wait for it to load a bit. So once it has opened, I would still go to this search box and type in brightness. Yeah, so this is it, change brightness level. So I'd click on it. So once it opens, you'll see that our current desktop is at 0% brightness, right? So for us to increase it or for us to adjust it, we would hold this slightly and drag its front. So once we have done this, our screen brightness will automatically change. So this is the way you can adjust your screen brightness in Windows or PC. If you found this video helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends who may need help, and ensure you ask questions whenever you need help, as I will be always willing to help you the very best way I could. See you guys in the next one.